This video will show you how to send an email to contacts using the bulk action feature of your system. Start by navigating to the Contacts section, select the contacts you'd like to apply this action for, and then click the email icon at the top of the page. Within the pop-up window, you'll have the opportunity to select from a pre-existing email template that you've already created, or you can customize a new email. You can include attachments, you can use custom values to merge in the contact name in the greeting, and you can customize all the formatting of the email there. Then you can choose the option for scheduling and sending the email. You can send all at once, which will immediately apply the bulk action. You can send all at a scheduled time, which will send all at once at a future date and time. Or you can send in drip mode, and you can choose days, time windows, and the number of contacts you'd like to process in particular batches. Click Send Email to confirm your changes, and the bulk action will process.